straight from your dreams is a nightmare that is staged at the seams. Hearing the name will make you shake, make you shiver. This little toy is now smiling greater. They tried to silence him so he can't harm again, but there's no escape since we accidentally let him in. You better run and hide, now evil's come alive. Pray to the prototype that you gon' make it through the night. Catnap, we'll catch you in a deep sleep. He sneak attack, better make sure that you do believe. Catnap, it's a time, a whole new chapter.